For anyone doing a labor job, we're pretty safe from AI. Artificial intelligence is definitely something that will help us to run our business, make us look better and sound better than what we really are. So there's a lot of ways, and I'll show more ways in the future. But today I'm just going to look at how artificial intelligence can help with emailing. So to be able to use this, you can either get a free account with Claude, ChatGPT, Google Gemini. They're my three favorites. Or sometimes your software will have it integrated in. So I'm going to show you that with ServiceMate today, because basically what they've done is set it up so that you always sound really professional, and then it understands your business and it understands your job. That's all kind of without saying anything. So now all you need to do is click reply, and it always has a really good idea of what you might be going to say anyway. So I'll show you here.
Punctuation, incorrect grammar, and more. We just click Smart Writing Helper and select Improve Writing. And in seconds, ServiceMate completely rewrites your email with all issues corrected, while still sounding like you. Or, for example, you wrote this SMS, but sometimes you get your yours and you ask mixed up. Just tap Improve Writing and it fixes all issues. Let's say you now need to write an email to a customer who's complained about a mess being left on site. We simply type a subject. We add a note or two about the specific details we want to cover. First, a point where we want to apologize and something about our standards, and then find out if we can come back and solve the issue tomorrow. Then we press Auto Write, and ServiceMate just writes out an email with a sincere apology, assurance about our standards, and a polite inquiry as to when we can come back to make it right.